Good morning all of you. I am Sonia Thakur from Ma Kalyanika Public School. Welcome you all to our online English grammar classes. Students, today's topic is verbs. You know that when you feel hungry, what to do? Yes, you eat. When you feel thirsty, yes, you drink. These are the action words which we will discuss today. So today's topic is verbs. What is the definition of verb? The definition of verb is an action word is called a verb. I am writing the definition. Definition: an action word is called a verb. An action word is called a verb. Some examples. Example: go, drink, come, etc. These are called your verbs. Whatever the action word you are doing in your daily life, these all things your verb. You are playing in the playground, play is your verb. You are doing homework, do is your verb. You are watching TV, watch is your verb. Here I am giving some examples. You put underline the verb. Underline the verb. Here I drink a cup of milk daily. C plays Ludo with her sister. One more example I am giving. They watch cartoon movies on television. Look at this. These are the three sentences I have given. You have to underline the verbs. I drink a cup of milk daily. Here, which one is your verb? As I told you before, which one is an action word? Yes, drink. See, she plays Ludo with her sister. Which one is your action word here? That is plays. They watch cartoon movies on television. Which one is your action word here? Watch. So students, you understood what are the action words and what is called a verb? Yes. Now I am telling you the use of is, am, are, and the use of have, has, and had. Look at the blackboard. Use of is, am, are. Students, you know that these are also your action words, but that shows action, they tells the subject, where is the subject is, means what is the position of the subject, means we have to use is with the singular form, we have to use are with plural form, and we use am with I. Just look at this box. Verbs. With I, we, you, they, and with he, she, it. What to use, I will tell you. With I, always use am. Look at this. we use am. With we, are. With you, also are. With they, are. He, she, it. With you use it. Now look at the blackboard. This is the use of is, am, are. Now how to use was, were. Use of was, were. Yes, the same thing with I, we, you, he, she, it. We use was and were. With I always we use was. With we, were. With you, were. He, she, it. We use was. When you will use was or were? When the action is already completed. The completed action. So here it is the I, we, you, he, she, it. One more I have left, that is they. With they also you use were. While using this was, were, you have to see that the subject is in singular or plural form, and you use was or were. These was, were used with the past action only. Now the use of had. Use of had. What is the use of had? The use of had, look at this. I, we, you, he, she, whatever the subject will be there, whatever the pronoun will be there, you use the had. Means I is a pronoun. In our pronoun chapter I have already discussed I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are your personal pronouns. In the personal pronouns always you use had only. Okay. Whatever the pronoun you are using, you use had. Look at this. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Whatever the pronoun I have written here, you use had there. But it is in past action. Had always used with the past action. Now I had to say that had already I told, but have yes I have not told. How to use have and has? Look at this. Use of have and had. Once again I am using here had also, because you will not confuse while looking this video. While pronoun and verb. Look at this. I, we, you, he, she, it, they. These are your pronouns. How to use have, has? In singular you have to use yes, has. And with plural you will use have. Understood? But it is exceptional. Exceptional for I. I is singular, but you always use like am. You should use have here. I meet have. We meet yes, have. You have. He has. She has. It has. They will have. And I told already what is the use of had. With this all You had, he had, she had, it had, and if any kind of name, singular name also, you have to use had. With name also, you can use had. So students, I told you that what is the use of am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had. In this topic, we have already discussed about these things. And before I told that what is the verb also, okay, you should remember that all the action words are called verbs, and whatever the uses of am, is, are, was, were, according to the pronoun you should use. Pronouns are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. Thank you class.